Karnataka's government has decided not to comply with the order issued by the Cauvery Water Regulation Committee to release 1 TMC of water daily to Tamil Nadu for 20 days. This decision was made during a meeting convened by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah with the Water Resources Department on Friday. The Chief Minister cited insufficient water to meet Karnataka's needs as the primary reason for this stance. Consequently, Karnataka will appeal against the CWRC's directive before the Cauvery Water Management Authority (CWMA), which oversees water regulation. The CWRC, on the other hand, is responsible for data collection and ensuring the implementation of final awards. In a bid to address this contentious issue comprehensively, the Karnataka government has scheduled an all-party meeting on July 14 at 4 p.m. The meeting will include union ministers, members of the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha from the Cauvery constituency and MLAs. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah emphasized that the government's next steps will be determined after consulting all stakeholders to ensure a unified approach.
Despite our submission made before the regulatory committee, the regulatory committee has taken a decision to release 1 TMC of water every day. So we have decided today's meeting that we should appeal to the Cauvery Water Management Authority, and also we have taken a decision to call all party meeting on 14th of this month at 4 o'clock in the evening. And also central ministers will be invited to this meeting, all party meeting. And the MPs from Cauvery Basin will also be invited, and also MLAs of the Cauvery Basin. So we will take opposition parties into confidence before we take any decision.